So I'm making a painting of asters, and I'm painting the background of it here with the blue colors. And I'm building up the layers in the foreground with more blues and eventually lighter colors such as yellows and whites. Eventually, the foreground will be layered to the point where it's finished. And I'm trying to actually recreate a smaller painting I did recently, and you can see that painting in the background here. So it's the same painting, just on a bigger scale. And then I take gator board and I glue it, and I with a bone folder, I lay the painting down onto the board. And here it is in the frame, the custom frame. And now it's going to be shipped to the gallery where it will be exhibited in the exhibit.